Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm covering one of the biggest software deals of Black Friday 2025, Wondershare's massive up to 81% off sale. If you regularly work with PDFs for your job, school, business, or content creation, this is one of the best times of the year to grab a premium PDF editor at a huge discount. The highlight of this promotion is Wondershare PDFelement, one of the most powerful, beginner-friendly, and affordable PDF tools on the market. With PDFelement, you can easily edit text and images inside PDFs just like using Word. No weird formatting, no broken layout. It also includes AI-powered features such as smart text recognition, PDF summarizing, AI rewriting, form extraction, and batch processing. If you handle contracts or scan documents, you'll love the built-in OCR engine, which converts scanned PDFs into fully editable files. You can convert PDFs to Word, Excel, PPT, images, HTML, basically any format you need. Super useful for students, accountants, HR, and small business owners. The Black Friday sale includes deals for Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and even cloud plans, so no matter what device you use, there's a discounted version. Compared to Adobe Acrobat, PDFelement is much cheaper, easier to use, and doesn't require a heavy annual subscription, especially during this sale. If you're a creator, freelancer, or business owner who needs a reliable PDF editor, this discount can literally save you hundreds of dollars. I've put the official discounted link in the description below. Make sure to check it out before the Black Friday sale ends. Let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial or a feature comparison against Adobe Acrobat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and grab the deal before it expires.